easily distracted by squirrels. Just so I don't get any more bunnies anymore. Whoa, RSSI, what you doing there, buddy? Running a little low there. Oh, that is fine. Hear basketball. I don't know if you can hear it on the mic, but so close to the basketball court, I'm guessing there's some people coming in. See, I don't know what's wrong with that. And it's only in that area where, I mean, I get it, there's obstruction, there's trees and stuff. But I had better signal like right here, all this area. But when I'm over there closer to the trees, video signal goes to crap. So, just interesting. I'm guessing the signal that gets transmitted from the quad bounces all over the place when I'm over there and gets all patchy. Instead of over here sending a clear signal out, and I don't know. It's just my assumptions, I guess. Oh, too close to their branches. I saw that. Oh yeah, I see them on the other side of the court though. Probably saying, what is that dude over there sitting on old benches? What's he doing? It's just the one person. I'm guessing more people are going to come by, get together. Maybe I can get another pack before I leave. No. There we go. Whoop, nope. Manage. Whoop. That was bad, but